Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, welcome back. You can already tell based on the thumbnail what time it is. Yes, it is time for another CoCoTIQUE unboxing. I want to thank you for taking a moment to click on this video. And if you enjoy this type of video and unboxing, please make sure that you blow dry on that like button for me. And if you really like this type of content, please go ahead and subscribe. It is free 99. It does not cost you anything. Also, drop down in the comments below and let me know what you think about the video. Your feedback is very important to me. Now, for those of you who don't know, for the most part, my channel is typically a hair channel. However, there is an and more on the end of my name because I do actually publish a wide variety of content on this channel. However, the majority of the content is based on hair care, both natural hair care as well as my love for wigs. Now, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right on in to this latest unboxing. I believe this is the November box from CoCoTIQUE. CoCoTIQUE is actually a self-care and wellness company curated specifically for women of color. However, I feel like the products can go for any race, any ethnic background. However, they were created and curated with melanated women in mind. So again, thank you for taking a moment to click on the video. This is going to be a quick unboxing as your girl is in protective mode. My natural hair is cornrowed underneath. I am natural, 4C, kinky all day, and I love it. However, with it being fall and it being kind of chilly, I do enjoy a nasty piece of wig every once and again. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right into this month's latest box. This is actually the CoCoTIQUE Palmer's Cocoa Butter Takeover Box. And I always start off by reading the love note that comes in each and every month's box. Again, this is a self-care and wellness company. You do a monthly subscription with them, and I will be sure to link down in the description box below my discount code. So if you are considering trying them out, definitely utilize that discount code so you can save you a little bit of coin off your first purchase. Now, the monthly subscription boxes are $25 a month. However, if you're like me, $25 is a very nominal fee to pay for monthly self-care and wellness products to come directly to you at your home. You don't have to go out and fight any crowds. And again, they're all specially curated for you. They also offer a wonderful rewards program. So each purchase, you are accumulating Cocoa Hearts, which is what they call their reward system. And those Cocoa Hearts can be used to purchase future boxes or previous boxes. So it's an excellent rewards program, and you can also earn Cocoa Hearts by just doing what I'm doing here today, and that is sharing the products with you all. So again, be sure to blow dry on that like button. Drop down in the comments and let me know what you think. Have you ever tried CoCoTIQUE? Do you use them, or are you familiar with this cocoa butter Palmer's formulation that they've sent to us this month in this month's box? So I'm going to go ahead and read this month's love note. I always enjoy the love note. I think it is excellent customer service, and it just makes you feel that much better spending your coin with the company because they think that much of you to actually provide you with a little bit of extra care. So let's get right in. It says, this month is all about reminding you to honor yourself and to celebrate your beauty, power, and unique qualities. You must always believe in yourself, know your worth, and then double it. Don't ever minimize yourself or let others define who or what you should be. Know that you hold the power within yourself to shine and be a beacon of light. To help you to enhance your natural beauty, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the new look and formulation of the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention System. This new collection is infused with biotin and fully strengthens hair with powerhouse natural protectants that help block fragileness, brittleness, breakage, and split ends to help hair achieve its optimal length. I hope you enjoy your next wash day with this amazing new hair collection. As always, I love to hear from you, so please don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Hugs and kisses, Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm always touched by the love note. And as you can see, it's on this nice cardstock, glossy quality, beautiful artwork. And then on the flip side, it is a detailed summarization of everything that you have in the box. And I'll go through that here in just a moment, just to show that you always get more than $25 worth of products each month. So it's definitely well worth it. Now, the first item from the takeover box that I'll go into is this item here. It is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Length Retention Shine Glaze Serum. Created for all curl patterns and textures plus biotin. It is silicone free and it smooths and protects, tames frizz, and brilliant shine. This is perfect because I'm ready to go through a wash day on my natural hair. I literally just put this wig on for the holidays to give me a little bit of a color and spice for the holidays, but I always treat my natural hair. And here lately I've been wearing my natural hair out in a wash and go and twist and goes and things like that. So I can't wait to use these new products and come back and tell you guys what I think. So that is in 6 fluid ounces. The next product is this. Ooh, I can't wait. This is their Length Retention Curl Defining Cream. Also created for all curl patterns and textures for flexible curl definition, super shine, frizz-free, and silicone-free. Can't wait to try these products. They always send the package at the right time, and I've been having it for a few days now. Here is the next item in the box. This is their Length Retention Defining Hair Gel. Created for all curl patterns and textures, plus biotin. Biotin is excellent for strengthening and for length retention, guys, and for growth. These are also in 7 fluid ounces, also silicone free. So I'm very excited to try these products out, guys. Oh my goodness. Now this next item, nice size. This is a 12 ounce or 340 gram length retention deep conditioner. Ooh. Oh, it's sealed. I was going to see what it smelled like. Let's see if I can pop that off really quick, y'all. Just to see what this consistency is. My hair is so thick. It has a nice clean scent, and it's like a really thick whipped consistency. The smell is nice and soft and subtle. It's not too overbearing. Next, we have this. It is a step 1 and a step 2. 2-step mask. Step 1 is the conditioning mask, and step 2 is a protective glaze. Step 1 builds in long-lasting protection. It's a conditioning mask. And step 2 is a protective glaze, which seals cuticle for incredible shine. 5 minutes for maximum results. Silicone free. Oh my God, you guys. I think I'll be using this tomorrow. Yes. And then last, we have this length retention Vitagro. Oh my goodness. Nice size container. This is 6.7 ounces. This is a silicone free. I'm trying to see what this is exactly. System with biotin fully strengthens hair with powerhouse natural protectants to help block brittleness and breakage. Awesome, because when I do go into my protective modes, I just braid, I'll shampoo, condition my hair, and then braid it up and go under a wig. And I usually do that for like 2 weeks at a time. Okay, that's a very interesting. It's almost like, I don't know, a hair dress. So I'm assuming this is kind of like a hair dress or almost like a hair grease, but it's not greasy at all. It actually has the consistency of wax or a shea butter. You see that little shine that it's giving me on my fingers? All right, so that concludes the contents of the box. Let's go into the back of the card here to see exactly what we're working with. So we got the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Length Retention Curl Defining Cream. It says it's a creamy silicone-free styler to define all curl types without the crunch and shrinkage. Whew. Leaving a perfect natural look, minimizes frizz while maximizing volume, bounce, and shine. Full size is $8.29. Next we have, that is this, the curl defining cream, right? Yeah, that was this. Next we have the Cocoa Butter Formula Length Retention Vitagro. This creamy strengthening balm, that was this. I said it felt like a shea butter. So it's a balm with green coffee extract, ceramides, and castor oil. Helps protect from styling damage, friction, tension, and heat. Promotes healthy hair growth and manageability. It retails at $7.47. Next, we have the Defining Hair Gel. This moisturizing silicone styling free hair gel provides long-lasting hold and definition on all hairstyles, infused with aloe and argan to help resist flaking and hardening. Keeps hair frizz-free and shiny. Retails at $7.99. Awesome. Next we have the Deep Conditioner. This silicone free intense deep conditioner restores, revitalizes elasticity and shine while sealing in moisture. And this retails at $6.77. Not bad on the prices. And then next we have the Shine Glaze Serum, which was this. And a serum is good for natural hair, especially 4C kinky hair. It's very hard to find a product that's going to give you just the right amount of shine. So I can't wait to try this line. It says that this lightweight silicone-free Shine Glaze Serum easily glides through the hair to smooth down frizz and split ends with marula oil to help seal and protect from dryness. Leaves hair shiny, soft, and healthier looking. And then lastly, we have the Palmer's Two-Step Mask. This two-step moisture treatment seals in long-lasting hydration and visibly improves hair. All right, and this retails for $3.63 in the full size. These are samples. And that's the thing about COCOTIQUE. You will get a mixture of full size as well as samples, deluxe samples. So the full size of this would be 2.1 ounces, and one would retail at $3.63 and one would retail at $4.48. So as you can see, you got about $30 worth of products here, just a little over the $25. And again, that's because this Palmer's Cocoa Butter line seems to be really good price. And of course, there are discount codes here for Walmart and Amazon in the event that you would like to go and purchase additional product. Or, like I said, I can always go back to the COCOTIQUE back office and utilize my Cocoa Hearts, which I have almost 700 Cocoa Hearts, guys, just from simply sharing these products with you all, and purchase this box again and only have to pay for my shipping. So again, I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. Thank you again for watching the video. Drop down in the comments below and let me know, what are your thoughts on this new Palmer's Cocoa Butter revamped formulation and the COCOTIQUE takeover box as a whole? Does this seem like something that you might be interested in trying? If so, let me know, and please feel free to use my discount code that is found down in the description box down below. And have you used this line as a naturalista, and if so, what was the outcome? Drop down in the comments and let me know. I would love to hear what's on your mind. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there, stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your